Okay, sorry, for some reason, apparently, hold on, okay, my bad, what am I saying? Sorry, I wanted to say hello, welcome to my channel, and, yeah, so, I got one thing to say. I'm gonna come back to this video, like, later on or tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna come back to this video tomorrow, okay? And I'm gonna want you guys to comment what game I should play, okay? Could be any game. It could be from GameJolt, could be from Steam, yeah, it could be from anything, okay? Just comment down below, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So, yeah, have a good day, and yeah, just hope you subscribe.